Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start the next poem of reader. This is The Rebel and it is related to your second chapter of reader is A Gift of Chappals, and with that chapter there is a poem The Rebel. Do you know who is called a rebel? A rebel is a person who never follows anyone, who always tries to do something different, who always goes against the things which other people are doing at that time. Let's start the summary of it here. Do you know anyone who always disagree with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Have you ever met a person who always disagrees with you or your friends? Do you know one of your friend or a person whom you know and that person always disagrees? Suppose if you are saying something, he never say to you that you are right. He always says something different. He never agrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do. And that person, that rebel, always loves to do the opposite of what everyone thinks, loves to do just opposite, to do what everyone thinks they should do. Think of a word to describe such a person. If you know such a person, then think a word to describe that person, as the poet has described that person with the word the rebel. Do you know any word with which you can describe that person? Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. You can discuss this at your home, with your sister, with your brother, or with your parents, and that there is a person whom you know and he always love to do something which is not similar to others. Now read the poem. Who is the poet of this poem? The poet is DJ Enright. DJ Enright has started the poem with, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. See, the poet has described in a very simple language that when everybody loves to have short hair, the rebel, because it is the habit of the rebel that he never goes with everyone, he always tries to do something different. So if everybody is having short hair, then he will start to grow his hair long. And if everybody has long hair, then the rebel would like to cut his hair short. It means he will never follow the other person. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. And when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now the poet is describing a class situation here. If in a classroom the teacher is describing something and everybody is talking at that time, disturbing the class, but the rebel keeps himself mum. He tries to keep himself silent. He never says a word at that time because he likes to do something different. And if everybody is paying attention and nobody is talking during the class, the rebel creates disturbance. It means it is the habit of the rebel that he loves to create disturbance at the time when other children in the class are paying attention. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When everybody wears a uniform, rebel love to wear fantastic casual dresses. If everybody is wearing uniform in the school or in a function, then rebel will come in fancy dresses, in fantastic means very good looking dresses. And then if everybody is wearing fantastic dresses, then rebel would love to wear sober dresses, simple dresses. Sober means simple. The company of dog lovers. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. If there are dog lovers and the rebel is sitting with them, then he will start to express to say that he love to have cats in place of dogs. He will start to say that no, dogs are not good pets, cats are good pets. And if there are cat lovers, then the rebel will start to say no, cats are not good pets, dogs are good pets. It means it is the habit of the rebel that he will always say the opposite things. Do you know such person in your family or in your classroom? When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. If there is a sunny day and everybody is saying that what a nice day it is and the warmth of the sun is very good, but the rebel will say no, it's not a good day today, there should be rain, it should be a rainy day. And if everybody is ready to welcome the rain, everybody is welcoming the rain, then the rebel regrets means feel sad. The rebel will feel sad because of the absence of sun. Then he will miss sun. He will start to say that it should be a sunny day. When everybody goes on to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. If everybody is going to attend the meeting, then the rebel will not go there to attend the meeting. He will stay at home and he will read a book. And if everybody stays at home and read a book, then the rebel would like to go to attend a meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. If there are some offers and everybody is saying yes, we want to accept this, we want to have this, but the rebel will say no, thank you, there is no need of this. And if everybody is saying no, then the rebel will say yes please, he will accept the offer. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. See, the last line of this poem is different from the other lines. Other lines of this poem are very easy to understand. The poet written the poem in a very simple language. You can easily understand this. And the last two lines are not so simple. You understand there is a double meaning here. The poet is saying that it is good that there are rebels in the society, because if everyone become the follower of each other, then there should be nothing new. What is the work of the rebels? They start to search something new. But if you will become that rebel, then it will not be good for you, because the other person of the society don't like the rebels. So it will be bad for you if you will become a rebel, but rebels are good for the society, because they always search, they always try to do something different. DJ Enright is the poet of this poem. I hope you have understood this poem, and I will send you the written work of it in the form of PDF. See, here are some words in this poem, the rhyming words. In the first line there is a word hair, and then in the third line there is a word hair. Hair, hair, both are rhyming with each other. And then lesson, lesson. There are only similar words in the poem. There is no rhyming word. I have observed this, that there is no rhyming word. Here and here both are similar words. They are not rhyming. They are the similar words here. And see, in all the lines the word when is repeated many times. When. All the stanzas are starting with when. First, second, third, and fourth, fifth, sixth. All these stanzas are starting with when. So when word is repeated many times here in the poem. Now I will send you the written work in the form of a PDF. Till then, Allah Hafiz.